think the time is 6:10. Never been early for breakfast before. In fact, I've never made breakfast before. So this is the first.
It's not even open yet.
No, it's not open. We're too early for breakfast. Looking forward to a very difficult day 2. It's been sold to us, it hasn't been sugar-coated. A long day with a long climb, but hopefully I shall be up for it.
Well, today's going to be a very interesting ride, according to Adam, our guide Adam. Apparently, well, we'll talk about it at the end of the ride, but seems like we've got a nuclear power station, a rubbish dump, and some very dangerous roads ahead. But other than that, it's going to be great fun.
Yeah, not looking forward to today. Yesterday we made it through. Not sure about today.
This is going to get us through today, I think.
In a bit of pain.
They say it's going to be a bit hard. You a bit nervous at all?
A little bit, could say that.
Yeah?
Looking forward to the lunch in near Demona, around the chemicals and the sort of stink that they described. Yes, yeah.
I think
lunch in the nuclear waste.
might all end up looking like the Simpsons by the end of
Yeah.
All right.
Exactly.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Morning.
Good morning.
How are you feeling this morning?
Terrific. Ready for another day? Yeah, set for day 2.
Now I promised Claire that I'll get her on the
No,
bike today.
No. On the bike.
After last year, today I'm going to get you riding the bike.
That's a real treat in store. Yeah. That should raise some money, shouldn't it?
And just for the record, Claire does plenty of bike riding.
Yeah, plenty of bike riding for Norwood and for money.
Okay, so day 2. We're just leaving Sde Boker, the desert home of Victoria. Didn't get much sleep last night. For one reason or another. I've only got about 2 hours sleep, but hey, there you go. That's one of the additional challenges on these rides. Thankfully, a great invention called coffee, which is hopefully keep me going for a bit. I'm going to dedicate today to all the people at my work at the London Film Museum, to all those that sponsored me at work, to my partners. Let's see how today goes, but apparently it's going to be very tough, very hot. See you later. How you feeling?
Oh, wicked.
Look at that.
That's a few miles. That's a few miles in the saddle.
Never seen John win the league.
We're showing how much we love you. Lights!
What were they saying?
We ain't West Ham, we ain't West Ham.
We ain't West Ham, we ain't West Ham. We ain't West Ham, we ain't West Ham.
You should have seen us standing just along the Scots Road, just as they were standing. And the lads and all the races, scandalise the Scots Road. See the bleeding races. Tsunami.
You ready, Jason?
He's ready.
Horse is ready.
He was born ready.
A big smile like we had before.
what a big smile.
No, he's concentrating getting on. Once he's on,
Okay.
we'll get it once he's
I
on.
can, we can.
Bit of concentration now.
How's he doing? He's cycling hard?
He's cycling great.
That's it.
Enjoy, yeah?
You on, Jason?
Jason, have a look
Jason,
at this side.
give us a smile. That's it. That is a smile.
Hey, Jason,
Yay.
we happy?
Oh, yes.
I'm happy. He's not just happy, I'm happy.
Are you ready? 40 kilometres to go. We've got a tough 20 right at the end, which is a total climb. Come on, Gary!
Come on, Saxy.
Come on, Gary! Come on, come on, Julian! Woo!
Yeah, hey! Thanks, boy.
Well, hell, that was probably the hardest day cycling I've ever had to do. As a final 8k climb, just taken an hour. Oh my god, the heat. Time is now 5 o'clock. That's the end of day 2 from me. After my 2 hours sleep last night, I deserve an early night.